If you are a parent, artist, or even just want to get a little bit more organized, this product is for you. This LED drawing pad displays a wide variety of vibrant colors and comes with everything you need. Here is a how-to guide. As you can see, the package comes with a nice clean cloth to use for cleaning purposes, as well as a convenient spray bottle. And not only can you place the board on a table, but you can hang it using this hanger. It even comes with the required charger for the board. Conveniently, it even comes with a chain link that you can use to hang the board for viewing purposes. To get the ball rolling, I put on the given gloves so that I don't smear my hands on the board while drawing with the markers. Next, I take out the actual board so that we can get started with the drawing. As directed, it is important to take off the plastic covering on both the front and back of the drawing pad. Then I wipe off the front and back of the board with the given cloth. At this point, if your board is charged, you are ready to go. Here's how the LED lights look without any marker drawings on it. And here I am using the markers given to me in the package to do some drawings on the board for demonstration purposes. As you can see, I am using every single color that was given in the package. And voila! By pressing the bottom right power button, we activate the bright LED lights. You can also use the plus and minus buttons to cycle through the available lighting modes. So overall, this is not difficult at all to get started and get your first drawings going with the LED lights. This LED drawing board makes for a highly engaging and fun activity for the family. And honestly, the best part about this is that the package comes with everything you need. No need to buy anything additional. I highly recommend this product. Thank you for watching.